Welcome to your daily meditation for building financial prosperity through honesty. Today, we will explore how honesty can be the foundation for achieving true prosperity in our lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on the present moment. Begin by taking a deep breath, filling your lungs with fresh air. Feel how honesty starts with yourself, in the way you connect with your breath. Let go of all the worries and distractions of the day, as this is your moment to concentrate on inner truth. Think about how honesty affects your finances. Recall moments when you were honest with yourself and others about your financial situation. Honesty opens doors to clarity and authenticity, enabling you to make informed financial decisions. Consider how honesty strengthens your relationships. In your interactions with friends, family, and colleagues, honesty builds trust. This can lead to opportunities for collaboration and mutual support, which can positively impact your financial goals. Visualize yourself maintaining financial integrity in all your transactions and decisions. Honesty is not just about speaking the truth but also acting fairly and ethically. This helps build a solid reputation, which can attract financial opportunities. Think about the financial blessings you have. Be grateful for the opportunities life has given you and the progress you have achieved. Honesty with yourself and others is a step toward a more prosperous and meaningful life. As this meditation comes to an end, remember that honesty is the path to true financial prosperity. By being honest with yourself and others, you will build a strong foundation to achieve your financial goals and enjoy a life of abundance. If you enjoyed this meditation and want to explore more ways to create financial prosperity in your life, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity. There, you will find tips, guidance, and additional meditations to assist you on your journey toward wealth and prosperity. Click the link below to subscribe and start transforming your financial life now. Peace and prosperity.